Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use a drink calculator on Evite. Yes, you heard that right, a drink calculator. Even when I saw it, I was really confused, but I decided to go ahead and try it, and it's really wonderful. So to do that, first of all, you must have created an invitation on your account on Evite. So once you've created your invitation, just click on this option here on the profile picture here. You see my invitations section here. Click on it and wait for the page to get set up. So once the page is fully set and ready to go, just scroll and choose the events you want to manage, then click on manage events here. Yes, click on the manage events section. It should take you to a page where you can add and do a bunch of things. So just scroll down. You can add a registry or a wish list here. You can add a word to bring list. You can use the drink calculator. You can also ask guests to chip in. You can also add to charity support. You can also add a shared album or send a thank you card. But since you want to use our drink calculator, just click on it and see where it takes us to. So click on drink calculator and it takes you to a different part of the website that allows you to figure out how much to have for your party. Then save, or it helps you to figure out how much ROH you can have for your party. So you can save $20 on your first order of $150, blah, like this. So it will take you to a website called wine.com where you can actually calculate or order your drinks. So from here you can add the lightweight drinks you want to. I then you can also add your average drink here, which is 3 to 4 drink per person, and then people that party at 5 drinks. I mean, you'll be wasted at the end of the day. Party duration 4 hours or 3 hours. Set the duration here. Then choose what to be served. So if you want just to beer and wine, and then you can. So once you are done with this, you can also set this up. This will calculate it for you here. So as you change the number, this also goes, you can see. So this is how to. So this is automatic beer or wine or drink calculator. So once you are done to pay, you can just click on get drinks from wine.com. It takes you to a page where you can now actually properly order your wine and pay for them. So once you are done, I mean, this is just, and then this is what you get. Once you do that, you can add to your cart. You can, I mean, that's just very smart. So after that, um you can, I mean, that you're basically done. So that's how to actually use drink calculator on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, or you found it comical, just let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe. We're really trying our best, but please subscribe to help us. I'll see you guys in the next one.